Alright everyone, this is it. Welcome to the final episode of my Thailand vlog series. So today I'm taking you to this little hidden gem called TwoC Bar. Despite the name, it's not one of those party spots. In fact, quite opposite. So grab a drink, relax, and let me show you what TwoC Bar has to offer.
Not too shabby, huh? So I just give an order. Let me show you guys around while they're preparing it.
So TwoC Bar sits on this beautiful cliffside right outside of the hot rim. Yes, the same hot rim that where full moon party takes place. If you're visiting Koh Phangan and you want something different, not just party scenes and bucket drinks, come here, try some delicious cocktails and quick bites, which are very affordable, we get to that later. And if you come here around the sunset time, you're gonna have one of the best sunsets of your life. I guarantee.
Alright, let's go check out this little terrace area. Wowzers. Wow. The view over here is spectacular. It's amazing. Check this out, guys. So we're definitely flying the drone from here. Yeah, this is beautiful. I'm glad I came here even though we had a little bit of trouble. But flat tire, it happens, you know. And it took me like a little bit longer than 30 minutes, to be honest. I was enjoying the scenery. Yeah, this is beautiful. All right, let's go back to our table, enjoy our meal, then we come up here to fly the drone. I guess my meal is ready. Oh my god, check this out, guys. Can't get any better than that. Thinking maybe I ordered too much, but doesn't matter, I'm gonna eat it anyway. Wow, it's a feast on this beautiful view. Can't beat it. Alright guys, I got a visitor. You guys seen this? This little guy decided to give me a company. What are you doing over there? You can't go over there. Where are you going? What a meal it was. It was so delicious, guy. And this is the aftermath. Pretty much nothing left. The sun is about to go down. Should we just go up in the terrace and fly the drone? Let's go do that.
As you can see, the views are just incredible out here. If you ever wonder, this beautiful beach down there called Thong Nai Panyai, and you can find some bungalows for under 100 US, so just so you know.
I would highly recommend this place right around the sunset time. Before the sunset, it's so hot because there's nothing can give you a shade like an the sun reflection angle. So, but after the sunset, it's super nice, very nice, and the food was good as well. I pay. Wait a minute, how much I pay? So I order 3 different dishes, 1 fresh coconut and 1 coconut espresso, and I pay 620. So it's like $15 ish. So let me see, where was the little viewpoint? Maybe we can find another one up there, but it looks like somebody's sitting there.
Here is the hidden viewpoint just a few steps away from the TwoC Bar. The view is just incredibly beautiful from here. I'm so glad I stopped before I leave. So we're finishing up this series right here. If you haven't watched the previous episodes, you can find them on my channel. Thanks again for joining me in this journey, and I hope you enjoyed. More adventures coming up soon. Until then, keep wandering.